by here, and every time I drive by here, there's something else new.
Bloom where you're planted. That's the motto Fort Knox Community Garden organizer and Army spouse Alisyn Kandybowicz embraced as she worked toward this year's grand opening.
This has just been so awesome to see the whole community come together. I'm feeling so excited about the plans for it.
Kandybowicz began working on a new plan for the garden last fall. Her mission? Create a cooperative-style gardening space in hopes of bringing people together.
Our community garden is a beacon of a supportive community. New family PCS is here, and they're going to see this on the side of the road and instantly have a way to get connected and to see that, we have a thriving community here on Fort Knox.
The March 20 opening ceremony was set to coincide with the first day of spring and feature Fort Knox Garrison Commander Colonel Lance O'Brien's announcement of the new garden sign contest winners.
That's a good choice.
Staying true to her desire for the garden to be a community project in every way, Kandybowicz recruited the schools and child care centers on post to each design a sign, which will now all be displayed around the garden. O'Brien commended Kandybowicz's efforts to involve community members of all ages with garden improvements.
We have so many different organizations and individuals that have come here and put their time into making this garden a community garden.
Kandybowicz said countless soldiers, family members, retirees, and organizations contributed to the beautification and development of the garden. Lend-Lease project director for Knox Hills, Katie Huff, said the Post Housing Company also took notice.
It has been completely transformed. It was overgrown, it was needing a lot of love and attention, and she's turned it into this wonderful oasis for the community.
Upon seeing the great efforts Kandybowicz took to rebuild the garden, Lend-Lease donated nearly $3,000 to help further her mission.
We opened this years and years and years ago, and we wanted to be able to continue the process. What we needed was strong volunteers, and what we found with Alisyn is she was able to network our communities and really bring community involvement back to the garden.
Kandybowicz encouraged anyone interested in gardening or finding out how the produce grown is going directly back into the Fort Knox community to contact her at garden@knoxhills.com. O'Brien hopes many will come and enjoy what's already being cultivated at the green space.
It's a place, you come and you can see the passion that the community has put in the garden, and it's an outstanding location, and we're very excited about what the future holds for it.
With Fort Knox News, I'm Jendi Hahn.